We wanted to build a first-class apartment building that would provide comfort in the form of beautiful living space with above-standard services. It included everything from front doors to garages. The suppliers we spoke to loved the straightforward installation and configuration.
The investor acquired a modern access system that would fit into an exclusive residential projects in one of the best locations in Prague. Premium location, the best materials and equipment available. We therefore designed an access solution for the entire building and the residential units, assembled from the best of our portfolio. We equipped the entrances and the garage entrance with a 2N IP Verso intercom with a touchscreen and a reader that combines RFID and Bluetooth technology. We chose the 2N Access Unit 2.0 reader for safe movement in common non-residential areas throughout the project. This provides convenient yet safe access from the garage to the lift. Homeowners don't need keys, a card, or a chip to enter, just a mobile phone with our app in their pocket to identify themselves. Of course, entry is also safely secured for non-residents. For the apartment units, we chose the elegant 2N Indoor Touch 2.0 answering units, again in black, the ideal solution for a luxurious yet minimalist interior. If the apartment owner is not at home, he can still check the door using the 2N mobile video app. The building security solution is also unique thanks to the reception, which is equipped with a monitor to switch between different views from the security cameras in and around the building. The receptionist then uses a 2N IP phone D78 to control access. If she goes out for lunch, she can still control the entrance via the 2N mobile video app. This allows calls to be received from the intercom on a smartphone.
The solution provided by 2N fulfilled our demanding architect's ideas for a smart access control system. Residents really enjoyed services like calls from the intercom to their smartphone and opening the door with their smartphone.
Designing an access system for such a prestigious building in the center of Prague as the Churchill was a challenge for us. We are happy that we managed to fulfill the high expectations of architects and investors.